Linking number is important in DNA and protein folding. This video will explain how to calculate linking number. Linking number can be calculated for knots and links. Links are made from one or more knots, which are just closed curves in 3D space. By adjusting the projection of the knot, we can see each crossing in terms of just 2 strands, even if it may look like more. The crossings in knots and links can be classified by identifying which strand lies on top. If the top strand travels left to right, then it has a value of +1. This can be shown using the right-hand rule, as your right thumb travels left to right over your fingers. The opposite exists for strands crossing right to left. The linking number of 2 strands can be calculated by dividing the total number of +1s and -1s by 2. This is because there's 2 strands, so essentially the linking number is calculated per strand. As you can see here, these 2 links are topologically identical, but they have different linking numbers. Therefore, the modulus of the linking number should always be taken once all the crossings have been summed. Calculating the linking number of just one strand is more tricky, as the linking number will change depending on what angle you look at the crossings. This is because simple deformations such as adding a loop to the curve changes the linking number. When the strand crosses itself, it's called a rive, and this is calculated by averaging the number of crossings over all possible projections. A ribbon is 2 curves which are next to each other and a constant distance apart. Projections can be used in the same way as before to indicate crossings. To find the linking number of the ribbon, you first add up all the crossings of both strands and divide by 2. This is usually the number of twists in the ribbon. Just add this number to the number of rives to find the linking number. There are allowed movements which don't change the linking number of the knot. These are called the Reidemeister moves. Under these moves, knots are equivalent. However, for a single strand, the first move will affect the linking number as it will add a rive.